Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. I hope you guys are liking Vlogmas so far, and subscribe if you're liking my channel so far. I have so many videos coming soon. I have a lot of curly hair videos coming, hair tool videos coming, and some hauls and like fashion videos as well. So subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and let's get right into the video. Today I'm going to be using Twist products. These products were sent to me. This video is not sponsored, but I do have a discount code for you guys if you guys want to use it on their website. Use my code Julissa, just my name, and you can get a 20% off discount from their entire website. All of these products are only $10 each, so with the discount you only get them for like $8 each, so you get to save $2 per product. And I actually am going to show you guys how to use a couple of different products from their website, and of course I'm going to be completely honest with you guys no matter what. This video is like a first impressions using these products. So yeah, let's get right into it. First thing I have to mention is that their packaging is beautiful. Like, even my husband saw this and he was like, wow, I gotta give it to them. Their packaging is amazing. Like, it really is so attractive. I just love it so much. I mean, all of their packaging, all the bottles and everything just looks so beautiful. You look at it and you just want to grab it. It's like so beautiful. I use their mask in the shower as well. But let's talk about this product first. I use this in the shower. This is their ultra hydrating co-wash. So this is supposed to cleanse, nourish, and condition. So this is kind of like a shampoo and conditioner all in one, kind of like a two-in-one product. Honestly, I felt like this really did feel like a two-in-one product. I've tried other products similar to this that's kind of like a co-wash, like two-in-one product. That kind of doesn't feel that much like both products at the same time. Like, it either feels more like a shampoo or more like a conditioner. Like, this one actually feels like a two-in-one product, because I was able to clean my hair very well with this, and this left my hair super soft and easy to detangle. Like, it kind of feels like a conditioner a little bit. The only thing that I did not love about this product was that, I don't know if maybe I'm just weak. I mean, I'm not that weak. I'm able to squeeze most bottles, but this was so hard to squeeze and take out product. Like, wow. I was struggling to squeeze out some products. I mean, the packaging is beautiful, but I mean, is it kind of making the squeezing part of this harder? Like, look, I'm like squeezing and this is what comes out. Just like a little tiny bit. And I'm like squeezing pretty hard. So it took me a lot of hard squeezing to be able to get some product out of this bottle. And even though I love the packaging, it was just so hard to get product out of this bottle. I'm literally struggling in the shower to get product out of this. So let me know in the comments down below if you had the same issue, if you've tried this product. But yeah, other than that, I really did like this product. I feel like it is very, very moisturizing, but yeah, I would definitely maybe just use it without this next time, because it's just going to be way easier for me. So after that, I used this mask, and I absolutely loved using this mask. I feel like these products are so affordable and they feel amazing on my natural hair. For $8 each, like, not bad at all. I used this mask after the co-wash, and this is the Twist Sunday Feels Deeply Hydrating Hair Mask, and I really like this as well. I just put this on my hair, left it on my hair for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then I rinsed it out, and it was so easy to detangle my hair in the shower with this. I used my Julie brush. I just detangled my hair super quickly. It left my hair very moisturized. This is pretty cool because you can also leave this on your hair overnight as like a deep treatment. So I might try that next and see how that works. It's like a very thick mask, and I love creams that are like that. This doesn't have silicone, parabens, sulfates, and it has good ingredients like shea butter, coconut oil, jojoba oil, almond oil, grapeseed oil. It has so many moisturizing ingredients. I'm excited to use these products again in the future. Now I'm gonna style my hair before my hair dries, because I need to do it on pretty wet hair. And yeah, let's get right into styling the hair. The first product that I'm gonna use is this Primed & Co. 2-in-1 conditioner and primer. You can actually use this also like a conditioner, so you can apply to clean hair and then leave it on your hair for about 3 minutes and then rinse it out. But I'm going to use it as like a leave-in conditioner, and I'm just going to use this to kind of prep my hair before I diffuse it. I like to divide my hair into 2 sections when I apply my product. I'm using my Julie brush to detangle my hair before applying the product. And then I'm going to use the brush again to kind of spread the product a little bit more. I like that this brush is so flexible and it doesn't really pull my curly hair. So I'm going to link it down below if you guys want to check it out. I love using this in the shower and also before applying my product, after applying my product, to kind of spread the product a little bit. But yeah, check it out. I'll link it down below. So I'm going to add this product now. And this is supposed to also moisturize your curls. I love the packaging of this. See, I'm literally squeezing it so hard and it's just like slowly coming out. It's taking me forever to get product out of here. But I'm just gonna add about that amount in the bottom section. I don't think you need a lot of this product. So I'm just gonna add this to the bottom section, just like that. It feels amazing on my hair. It feels very moisturizing. My hair feels super soft. Just like to kind of spread it like this with my fingers, and then I like to go in with my brush and just kind of spread it even more with the brush. This also kind of helps to define the curls a little bit. So now I'm going to do the same on the top section. I'm literally squeezing this so much and the product is just very hard to get out. I mean, I love the packaging, how it looks and everything, but it definitely is super hard to get product out of here. Like, you guys see my muscles, right? I mean, I'm literally trying so hard. So I'm just gonna take this out and there you go. That's way easier. So this is definitely the issue, I guess. So yeah, when I use these products again, I'm definitely gonna just take out the cap. I mean, it's not a big deal, but I find it interesting that it's like so hard to get product out, and this is the first time that I use it too. It's not like there's product built up in there that you can't really squeeze anything out, you know what I mean? So I'm just gonna use my brush just to kind of spread everything a little bit better. Yeah, my hair feels great so far. Now I'm going to use this product from Twist. This is the Boss Bounce Light as Air Buildable Styling Cream. So this is supposed to shape, support, and define the curls. I'm going to apply about, maybe a little bit more, maybe about that much. This feels super, super thick. Wow, this feels, I don't know if you can see, but it feels very thick. It doesn't really feel like a gel, so I guess this isn't kind of like supposed to be a gel, even though it's supposed to define and hold the curls, but it definitely doesn't feel like a gel. And I'm going to use my Detangling Brush to define my curls a little bit more. So I'm going to take a small section just like that. I'm going to brush it and twist the ends, and then I'm just going to scrunch. So I'm going to add about this much to the top section. I'm going to use my Julie brush to spread the product. Something else that I've been doing lately is actually adding some clips at the top for volume. So I got these from Amazon. I'll link them down below if you guys want to check them out. Super affordable. I'll basically like divide it in 3 sections. I'll add about 2 to 3 clips at the front like that, just to kind of add some volume. Doesn't have to be perfect. So yeah, it's gonna look something like this, but I just add that before I diffuse my hair just to kind of help a little bit with volume, because sometimes I don't know what to do to the front of my hair when I curl it. So this kind of helps to bring the hair just like back a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going to diffuse my hair. I'm going to use my DYSON Supersonic. This is definitely like my go-to diffuser at the moment, and I just feel like it dries my hair so quickly and it's very gentle on my natural hair. So I'm going to start diffusing it and I'll be back with the final look. Okay guys, I am back with the final look. This is what my hair looks like. I do have to say, since this side did not curl that much, not because of the products though, mainly because I just haven't been curling my hair that much as compared to the summer. So some curls will take a little bit of time to bounce back. I did have to touch up some of these curls, just these right here at the top, with some chopsticks and my blower. If you guys haven't seen that video, check it out. I'm gonna link it down below. It's just a very genius way to be able to define your curls a little bit without putting extreme heat on your hair. So all you have to do is take some chopsticks and wrap your hair around to the chopstick and then dry your hair a little bit with the diffuser. curl by curl, and I just did like the top ones right here, but then everything else is like my natural hair, my natural curls. I only touched up maybe like 5 curls, not that many. I just wanted to tell you guys so you guys can know. But on this side I didn't do anything to my hair, and these are my natural curls, and I really like how my hair turned out. I think it looks super nice. I like the volume that I got at the top with these clips, and my hair just feels very soft and very natural. So I really like this cream because it's like not like your typical gel, which kind of leaves your hair a little bit like crunchy and like sticky and hard. I like that this kind of just like defined the curls, but it leaves it looking super natural and soft. Let me know in the comments down below if you have tried any of these products, and give me your thoughts in the comments down below. Do you like these products? Do you think they're worth it? I think these products are definitely worth it because they're very affordable, and $8 per each product is so affordable, guys. I mean, this brings so much product. Like, this is a big bottle. This is 16 fluid ounces. This is 8.5 fluid ounces, and then this one is 8.45 fluid ounces. And for $8 each with my discount code, not bad at all. I mean, even at $10 for regular price, not bad at all. These products are definitely a big thumbs up for me. So yeah, guys, that is it for this video. Subscribe if you're liking my channel so far, and let me know in the comments down below if you want to see more curly hair videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Bye bye.